We are really glad to hold the 13th edition of NETYS, METIS and VDS here in College of Computing in Rabat. More than 200 participants, including international speakers and cutting-edge researchers from Moroccan diaspora as well. They came from France, Canada, Switzerland, USA, and Moroccan students. These kind of events are really important because they spark innovation, foster collaboration, and bridge the gap between research, education, and real-world impact. It's completely aligned with the UM6P College of Computing vision, is to be a hub of excellence where the global perspectives meet local ambition, and also to empower the future tech leaders for a more digital, inclusive world.
So this event has gathered more than 200 people from different countries. One school about artificial intelligence, one workshop on verification of distributed systems, and a conference on networked systems. So the event was very lively with many researchers, and it helps to make our students meet top researchers in the world on such very important research topics. So this is a unique opportunity for researchers in our country to meet such top researchers and interact with them. Attracted this year 10 young talented Moroccan researchers in Europe and in America. So they came here to have contact with our professors at UM6P and also with the students of UM6P and from all universities of Morocco. This is important to be always in contact with the top research and current trends in important topics.
As a co-program chair, my role was to help organizing the conference by finding the reviewers for the papers, doing the call for papers, and then finding out which papers should be accepted or rejected. So we ended up with a great selection of papers from all over the world, with exceptional authors that came here to present their works, along with the keynote speakers that are presenting their recent works. So I'm glad to be here, and I'm glad to see that such top conferences are happening in Morocco.
Je suis venu ici pour donner un talk sur le quantum machine learning. Ça s'est bien passé, alhamdoulilah, et les interactions avec les gens étaient très intéressantes. Ça fait plaisir d'être ici, de visiter le M6P, de voir tout le travail qui est accompli pour encourager et bâtir tout l'écosystème de l'intelligence artificielle au Maroc.
The conference was really great. I enjoyed it. لقيت مع بزاف ديال الناس from interesting backgrounds. I had a lot of enriching exchanges مع students and other researchers from Morocco and from abroad. I hope بحال هاد لي كونفيرونس يبقاو يتعاودوا.
This is my first time attending NETYS and METIS. It was a great pleasure to present my work on perception learning and also to see this variety of research topics. I think it's always a pleasure to come and see how fast UM6P is growing and the community around it is growing, and I have great hope and faith in what we can achieve together.